Hello everyone, and in front of me is POCO M7, and let me show you how to change phone ringtone. So first of all, enroll settings, then find and select sound and vibration. Here go to ringtone, and now just pick the tune that you want to apply. Then click on OK. And just make sure that it is selected by tapping on OK. That's it. Okay, let me just skip the ad. Let's go back. And as you can see, ringtone is added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.